Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishwari and in today's video we're going to have a look at all the plants in my yard. So let's go. We're now from the gate we've started walking here. So we're on, let's go. Almost there. Just walk. Actually, I'm at my hometown and over here I'm doing all these videos. So we have reached the gate now. Now I'll show you. This is the mango tree. It has also produced a mango. Wanna see it? Comment down in the section. This is the mango. So here we also have a coconut tree. Let's move further. It said also a lemon tree. Wanna see it? These are the lemons. So now I also have something else. So we'll also see more plants. Let's go. So we're at the exit now and we're moving off to the exit gate of my backyard. Now I'm at the side yard, but there are no plants available in the side yard, so we're going in the backyard. Now we're out. Though I also have someone to show you guys, and his name is Shri. Hi. So now, as we met Shri, he was actually one of my small brothers. If you want to see my other small brother, then let's go to meet him. He's in the house. This is a house and it also has a passage, a long space, and so many more things. So let's go. Now we're in the kitchen. Hello. Hi guys. He's actually small. He's only 3 years old, but still he can say hello and hi guys. Whatever. So we also have one more mango tree. Here it is. And it has mangoes grown. These mangoes are not ripe yet. They'll be ripe in May or June somewhere. And then we'll again make a video of it. So now we're off to the curry leaf plant. If we take these leaves to prepare a curry, then the curry will be more delicious than before. Now we're at the tulsi plant. This plant has produced these small thingies. If we plant them, they will form a tulsi plant. Here we also have onion. This is our onion. Looking wet, huh? But no, it's actually dry. We also have this garlic. And as I told you that we have a coconut tree, we also have coconuts. This is one of the coconuts. It's big, right? So now we'll go to see something more special. Now we're going to see animals. I love animals and today we're going to see them. So let's go. But before that, I'm also going to show you guys another plant. So this is the imli plant. So in imli we've had so many imlis. Sometimes even for lunch we eat imlis. And those taste very sweet and nice. Here we also have a almond tree. And when we take them to the factory people make them into the almonds we eat right today. So I told you that we're seeing animals. Let's go. Almost there. Let's go. Guys, we're in the halfway and we're almost there. In the animal shed. So guys, we're here. Here we have a buffalo. Big, right? Actually, the buffalo was a female and so gave birth to this calf. Cute, right? We also have a cow calf. Wanna see it? Coming down. This is the one. We also have sheep. Can you see it? So now we're going for some other animals. Let's go. Oh, we're finally near them. So I've shown you the goats, right? We also have their ancestors. These are the ancestors. These. Now we'll show the babies. They're so cute and so adorable. If you want to see it, I say comment down. We also have another calf and baby sheeps. So now we are almost done, but there is still something remaining. This is the female cow. Can see it? This is the ones. So look, these and this. It's nice, right? So guys, that's all for today. See you in part 2. Bye guys.